I'm Dennis Moreland. Today I'm going to talk to you about spur straps. All of my spur straps have the inside button covered. It's not for decoration, it's a safety factor. If you're running along trying to get away from a bull that's right on your tail and your spur buttons hang together and you fall and he runs over the top of you, it's a terrible wreck. The button cover keeps the inside buttons from hanging together. We're going to attach a pair of spur straps onto this spur. And we'll start with the buckle side and slip one side underneath the edge, and like you would pry a tire on, take a little awl or a small screwdriver and prise the other side on, and it pulls down on there. The inside button is a little harder. The same way, we start one edge underneath. Prise the edge up. There. You're good to go.
For more tips and to take a look at some of the country's finest handmade tack, log on to dmtack.com.